Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Angel Biscuits. For our ingredients, we have yeast, sugar, warm water, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cold salted butter, and fresh buttermilk. You want to combine your yeast and your sugar and your warm water in a small bowl. You want to set aside for about 10 minutes or until bubbly. In a large bowl, you want to combine your flour, your sugar, your baking powder, your baking soda, and salt. You could grate or cut your butter until crumbly. I cut my butter. You want to cut your butter into your flour. You can use your pastry cutter or you can use a fork. In my video, I am using a pastry cutter. You want to combine your buttermilk and your yeast mixture. You want to mix it until everything is well combined. Our dough has come together, and now we're going to dump it onto our lightly floured table. You want to roll it out, and you want to combine all your flour together. We're going to pat out our dough, and we are going to cut out our biscuits. You want to roll and pat the dough to about 1 inch thick. You want to cut out your biscuits with a biscuit cutter or anything you have at hand. You're going to let your biscuits sit for a minute while your oven preheats. That gives your biscuits a chance to rise a little bit more. You want to place your biscuits on a cookie sheet and bake at 425. You want to bake them until they are lightly golden brown. You want to brush with butter. We have made Angel Biscuits. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.